Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm and Form, and today we will discuss one of the most important topic of our tablet compression playlist, and the topic name is the compression machine attachments. In this video we will discuss various attachments which are installed with the compression machine, and in this video we will discuss metal detector, deduster, mean tablet deduster, and the dust collector. If you have not watched our previous videos of the compression playlist, the link of video is provided in the description. Must watch complete playlist. And now let's start our topic, tablet metal detector. The tablets after compression must be free from any metal, and to ensure that there is no metal present in the tablet, a metal detector is installed along with the compression machine. How a metal can be compressed in the tablet? There may be the various sources of the metal contamination, either from the granulation, mean rubbing of the RMG blades, or broken sieves, or any scraping issue from the compression machine. So if any part of the metal is compressed inside the tablet, it must be eliminated, and for this we use the metal detectors. When the tablet pass through the metal detector, it can detect all type of the tablets containing the metal, and these metal containing tablets are separated and collected in the rejection box. If you want to learn detail about the metal detector, the link of article is provided in the description. Must read the article. Next one is the tablet deduster. The tablet, when compressed from powders and granules, also contain fine particles which are attached with the surface of the compressed tablets. So these powders must be removed from the tablet surface to ensure the uniform coating. For this purpose, we have the tablet dedusters, and when the tablet pass through these tablet dedusters, the dust attached with the tablet is removed. There are two types of the tablet dedusters. One is the uphill vertical tablet deduster, and second one is the horizontal tablet dedusters. If you want to read the detailed descriptions of the tablet deduster, the link of article is provided in description. Must read the complete article. So due to advancements, we have the combo installation of the metal detector and tablet deduster, mean tablet deduster and metal detectors are combined together in the same equipment, and this one is usually known as uphill tablet deduster and metal detector. The next one is the dust collector. The dust collector is also installed along with the compression machine to remove the dust from the lower punches, mean to ensure the uniform movement of the lower punches. Excessive dust is removed by using the dust collector. So it was all about the attachments of the compression machine. If you like the video, share it to others, subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.